Language groups in Kenya. Language groups refer to groups of various languages that share a common origin. These languages have a lot in common in terms of culture and the way it is spoken. Kenya has 5 main language groups spread across the country. These language groups include the Bantu, Nilote. Nilote is the second largest language group in Kenya. Nilotes are found largely in Rift Valley and Nyanza region. Different Nilotic communities practice different activities such as farming, pastoralism, fishing, and trading. Kushites. Kushite is the third populous language group in Kenya. Most Kushitic languages occupy northern part of Kenya and eastern regions. Kushites largely practice nomadic pastoralism and trading. Asians. Asian language groups in Kenya consist largely of Indians, Chinese, Koreans, Japanese, among others. The Asian language groups in Kenya engage largely in wholesale trade, construction, and manufacturing. Europeans. European language group in Kenya trace their origin from Europe and America. They engage in large-scale farming, services industry, and construction.